Yeah, so let's talk about the house. So 14,715 square feet. The lot price was $750,000. The house is $6.25 million, and they have $550,000 in landscaping. This one should be fun to go see.
We're Rod and Melody, your guides to living in Salt Lake City and beyond. With over 30 years in Utah real estate, we're here to help you navigate this beautiful state with confidence. We make videos about living in Salt Lake, exploring the suburbs, and what life in Utah is really like. We've helped over 1,400 families make their move in, out, and around Utah. And whether you're headed to St. George, South Jordan, or Smithfield, we've got you covered.
This is a passive house, and it was certified by the Passive House Institute of the United States, called FIAS. There are less than 250 homes that are certified as passive homes in the country. They're basically a zero carbon footprint. This home, to run this 15,000 square foot home with an amazing $150,000 theater system downstairs, the pool, the hot tub, it was negative $95. They got a credit because they put more energy back into the system than they actually used in the last 30 days. It's absolutely fascinating, really, really well done, possibly the future of homes. And to get certified was an absolute nightmare. It was super stressful, but they pulled it off. They got it certified about a week and a half ago. They had to go back and forth. Less than 250 of these in the country. This is definitely a not miss home, pretty fascinating. And it was fun, right? They had lots of themes.
Just come and see us.
Yeah.
Or come inside
Come and see it.
sit.
Yep.
Right now, many builders, including this one, are offering incredible incentives, from closing cost credits, free upgrades, to interest rate buydowns. If you're considering building or buying new construction in Utah, we're offering a free 15-minute parade to home consultation to walk you through your options and connect you with trusted builders. Use the QR code or the link in the description and subscribe for the next home tour.